Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. How you doing? Today we're going to do a quick thoracic spine foam roll just to get you ready for bed. Today's sponsor of the video is the sun. Thank you for shining your light on us and giving us all your energy and warmth and love. So as you see here, the first kind of exercise that I'm doing is I'm just gently rolling up and down along the middle of my back with the foam roller. Nice even pressure. It should be a little bit uncomfortable. And I like to do this just before bed, just to loosen me up, just because I've been kind of tight and rounded the whole day. So a little bit of added bonus, so I like to lock off specific segments, so find a nice tight spot and do a little bit of rotation. So your thoracic spine does about 90% of the rotation through your back, so might as well work on that. As you see, I'm pretty much asleep already, so give it a go and see how you feel. Nice, good stretch as you rotate through. Yeah, play with your hair. So the only thing I'd recommend about this is try not to do it with a hoodie, because your hoodie will get caught and you'll choke yourself. Unless that's your thing, then you go Glen Coco. So after a couple minutes of just rolling back and forth and loosening up your thoracic spine, I like to add on a little bit of rotation. So on my knees, threading the needle, that's what this exercise is called. So placing your hand on the foam roller and just passing underneath. This just adds that little bit of extra stretch. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm pulsing a little bit at the end. You probably can't see it because I've turned the darkness down on this video, and that's for your viewing pleasure right before bed, because we all know that the last thing you want to see and hear before you go to sleep is my beautiful voice. So just a couple reps per side. And you do more of a feel kind of thing. So I'm not really counting how many sets and reps or seconds, I'm just doing all by feel. I like to do this just to kind of switch off right before bed, kind of like meditation. Just getting in tune with your body, seeing how you feel, and just giving yourself a bit of alone time. Alrighty, ready to get some sleep? Thanks for joining me, guys. If you like what I'm doing, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.